Why did the senior refuse to use the bed safety rail? Because he didn't want to be accused of taking the easy route to his dreams. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bed safety rails for seniors. Tip 1. Ensure the right fit. When choosing bed safety rails for seniors, it's important to make sure they fit correctly, meaning they should be the proper length and height for the bed. Rails that are too short or too low may not provide enough support or protection, while those that are too long or too high can be difficult to maneuver around. Tip 2. Look for sturdy construction. Bed rails need to be strong and sturdy enough to support the weight of the person using them. They should be made from durable materials like steel or heavy-duty plastic and should be well constructed and firmly attached to the bed. Tip 3. Opt for adjustable rails. As the physical needs and abilities of seniors can change over time, it's wise to choose adjustable bed rails. These can be raised or lowered as needed and help in providing the optimal level of safety and convenience. The height adjustability also allows easy access to the bed when needed. Tip 4. Choose rails with a good locking mechanism. The safety rails you choose should have a secure locking mechanism to ensure they stay in place while in use. This ensures the rails don't collapse under pressure or move unexpectedly, which could cause a fall or injury. Tip 5. Add padding. Adding padding to bed rails can make them more comfortable to grip and prevent injuries caused by bumping into them. It's essential, especially for those with delicate skin or those prone to bruising. Tip 6. Consider the ease of installation. Bed safety rails should be easy to install and remove. This aspect is particularly important if the rails are intended for use on a temporary basis or if they need to be moved from one bed to another. Tip 7. Look for rails with handholds. Rails with built-in handholds can be particularly useful as they provide something for the person to grip when they are getting in and out of bed. This can enhance safety and stability. Tip 8. Opt for rails with a mesh panel. This design feature prevents the person from getting their limbs stuck in the rail. A mesh panel can also allow for better visibility, which can be helpful for caregivers. Tip 9. Choose rails that can be used on either side of the bed. Unless the bed is against a wall, it's a good idea to have safety rails on both sides. Some bed rails are designed to be used on either side, which can increase their versatility. Tip 10. Look for rails that offer discreet storage. Some bed safety rails come with built-in storage pockets, where seniors can store small essentials like a water bottle, remote control, or glasses. This feature adds convenience and lessens the chance of objects being lost in the bed. Tip 11. Ensure rails are easy to clean. Since bed safety rails are often touched, they can become home to bacteria and germs. Therefore, it's crucial to select rails that can be cleaned and disinfected easily to maintain good hygiene and a healthy environment.